Xero's built-in inventory management tracks stock levels, values, and transactions for small businesses, ideal for retail or e-commerce, with up to 4,000 tracked items. It supports FIFO valuation, real-time updates, and integrations like Shopify. Limitations: no multi-warehouse or advanced forecasting. Use apps like Unleashed for scaling. Setup: log in to Xero, settings, gear, chart of accounts, enable track inventory for a new account. For example, inventory asset under current assets. Business, products and services, new product, check I sell or I purchase. Add code, description, sales and purchase accounts, and initial quantity value, save. Daily use. Add stock. New, inventory adjustment, select item, enter quantity received, reason, for example, purchase, save, or import via CSV, products, import. Sell and track. In invoices or quotes, select inventory items. Xero auto-deducts quantity and updates value. Adjustments. For damage or shrinkage, use inventory adjustment. Negative quantity, save, tracks audit trail. Reports, accounting reports, search inventory summary or stock on hand. Customize dates and filters, export PDF or CSV.